Hey everybody, it's Pixel, and we're back for a really easy casserole that you can make for a side dish or a main dish. It's chicken tater tot Alfredo. And all you're going to need is Alfredo sauce, about 2 cups of mozzarella provolone cheese, a bag of tater tots, a sprinkle of pepper, about 2 cups of shredded chicken, a half a cup of sour cream, and probably about a good tablespoon or 2 of fresh parsley. Now, you can get jarred Alfredo, but I made my own. And here's how you can make one this easily. Pretty simple, huh? But you know the drill. This seems pretty fun, so let's get going. And assembly is going to be easy. We're just going to add in our chicken to the Alfredo sauce. About half of our shredded cheese. And our half a cup of sour cream. This, of course, is going to get thoroughly combined, and I'll be back to show you what happens after. Once that's thoroughly combined, we're going to give it a nice sprinkle of pepper that we will also be mixing in. And assembling our casserole will be easy. I've already gone ahead and done the first step, which is to take our Alfredo chicken mixture and put it into our dish. Second will be to layer on our tater tots. Then when you have the tater tots how you want them, you layer it with our provolone mozzarella mixture that we didn't put into the casserole to top it off. This is going to go into our oven at 375 for about 30 minutes. About 5 minutes before it's done cooking, you can sprinkle some of our parsley over the top to give it a little edge off of all that savory. This is going to go back into the oven for another 5 minutes or so. And when it's nice and golden brown on the top, we're going to take it out and let it set for a good 15 minutes or so. Okay, our casserole has cooled off, and the moment is here to try it. So, looks ooey gooey and wonderful. Just get a good bite here. And let's try it out. Well, it honestly has all the delightful flavors that chicken Alfredo has, only instead of the noodles, you get crispy tater tots on top. And they break apart pretty easily, so they're almost in every bite. Honestly, if you really want to, you could probably mix it up a little if you go down that route. But you can taste the Alfredo in it. Nothing really got drowned out, and it's just an amazing little dish. I can see myself making this many times. So if you have any thoughts, like what you saw, you know the drill. Leave me a like, leave me a comment about it, tell me what you think, and I will see you in the next video.